80. All right, Gabe. So this is the I guess foundation of your website that I sent to you to check out. The purpose of the site is obviously to give your search more authority, more power. Um, I added this the slideshow in the beginning. All this can be changed if you want a different look. I didn't want to entirely copy Tom, and not only because obviously you don't want to uh, copy exactly what he's doing, but um, you have you need to add. We add all these things. I don't know what all you're gonna have. He has a bunch of resources and stored and a bunch of programs and stuff. Not sure what you have yet to offer, but anyway, I can get you to rank with this website. I just have to add more stuff, more content, um, so you can be found. I Googled business coach and this came up. And Google My Business is I think we set it up for you already in Oxnard, and this is where you want to be in the three pack. This is the three pack. This is what comes up. And there's obviously room because, I mean, this guy from the 424 area code's coming up, Camarillo and Thousand Oaks. So I can get you here. When somebody types in business coach, your name will pop up. Um, there's a bunch more down here that are obviously not ranking. They don't have websites. Not all of them anyway. Some do, like this one. But they haven't been optimized, and that's why they're not ranking. So obviously, the first goal is to get you to rank up here. This is Coach, the brand Coach, and then this is a Life Coach Institute in Los Angeles. They're advertising. These are ads, as you can see. That's how they pop up on the top, and then after that, the three pack is these three guys. So that's the goal to get you here. I've added. You have pretty much all your social media already set up. I already um, included them on the website, so anybody can click here and you'll go to your page, your Facebook page right here, right, and uh, your Twitter account here. As you can see, so you're all linked, and that's what you need. You need to empower your website, link all your social media, and then we're gonna add citations. A citation is when you are cited on the internet. So right now, had already looked you up. You do have citations. You do have um, like mainly your social media, realtor.com, but your social media is citing you through the net, Yelp. So you've got some exposure already, but um, I've got this resource. I can get you cited in over 200 um, citations throughout the internet, and they're pretty strong. Their websites rank. They have 100 plus authority, which is what you want. But this is just a little glimpse of all the websites that you need to be on. You're already on some of these, um, Facebook, GMB. I don't think you're in big places, but these are some other ones that that have a lot of authority. So We gotta get you on those. I got a company that will put you on them. Um, and then backlinks. Um, a backlink is where you're building your website and uh, you're adding authority. Like I just built this site here, Ohio Pool Services. I think you liked it on Facebook, but it's brand new. It has very little to no authority because it's brand new. See, boom, 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 nada. And then so, but then I just built this one like I don't know a couple of weeks ago. Then you got Mr. Clean that is has a bunch of authority. Let me see, where are you? It's going to give you an example of what I mean by authority, and so you can understand the backlinking part of this. Why is it not? Come on, go away, you. Okay, so see this guy, he's got a 13 domain rating, 17 referring domains, and 368 backlinks. I've been adding backlinks to this one for already almost a year. And the IA, artificial intelligence, just picked it up. Gosh, not too long ago. They won't pick you up for a while. They'll, as you know, they crawl the net all the time, and there's millions of websites that are being popped up every day. And so I created this site almost a year ago, and it's saying that it picked it up 5 months ago, so they're like 4 months behind. But you know, it's ranking, and this is just an example of the length it takes. It's taking. I started about a year ago, and it's just saying it's 5 months old, where it picked it up 5 months ago. And so, um, if you Google, let me see, Avondale Pool Service. These guys pop up, the 3-pack, and let me see how come. Where am I at? See, that's the other thing too, that we need to make sure we get the right keywords. Maybe pool service in Avondale. So I need to optimize his to Avondale Pool Service. I think I did already, but it takes time for them to crawl. Here it is. See, Mr. Clean Pool Service. So this is This is a paid ad. 1, 2, 3. These are the 3-pack that show up, and then 4, 5, 6. He's 7th in line out of 7 pages, and I just built this, like I said, about a year ago, and so we beat all these pages and all these guys, and we're number 6. And once you get up to the top here, to start beating up on these guys, it's a little harder because they have a lot more authority. And like, for instance, this guy started his pool business 12 years ago, so he's been on the net for 12 years, and his website has a lot of aging, a lot of time, and so that counts a lot. So we got to get you live so you can start ranking for business coach locally. You'll rank locally, and as we build these citations for you, all this stuff, you'll start showing up throughout the country. It is going to take time to do all this, And so the backlinking, the citations, citing you on these 200 sites that I showed you, all that is going to take time and money, and I'm not sure if you are prepared to pay. We're talking between $800 and $1,200 to get all this done, and in about 6 to 12 months. And once you pay the 8 to 1,200, then it's going to be like 150 a month to continue adding the because you can't do it all at once. It has to be natural. It has to seem organic. Like people are visiting you, leaving reviews. Like I told Mr. Poole, this guy here, to have people leave reviews, not all at once, because that's not natural. You don't get 20 clients in one day. So he's doing it. He pays $450 a month because we're climbing him up and we're doing a lot of stuff for him. And so, um, but again, he's getting about, he went from 7 pools a year ago to 77. He's billing out $15,000 a month right now. So he's making a ton of money. But again, it takes money to make money. That's so true in this business anyway, in the SEO business. You gotta put money out there so we can get all these backlinks, citations, and just get you ranked. So anyway, that's the short end of it. Let me know if you're interested in moving forward with this. The site, we can manipulate it. We can, make it look like as much as we need to close to this one. We can put a video like, or anything like this we can add, obviously. But let me know where you want to go with this, how much you want to spend, and if you want to go forward with it. Okay, buddy. Have a great one. I'm going to email this to you. Ciao.